Hey, it's Paola with WTI, and come with me. I want to show you this really neat contraption that we just got for my husband. This is the Motorized tie rack by Aniva, and look at how amazing these ties look on this rack. It just makes you want to try different colors because you can see them all. So with this button, you're able to turn on the light and you can go to the right or you can go to the left. And this can hold up to 72 ties. We only have half that amount on here right now, and we'll probably end up spacing it out in the future. It has 4 extra hooks for belts, so that's extra storage right there. So you are able to mount it on the pole, or you can do it on a wire rack. Here I am showing how I installed mine. And it does help if you have a second set of hands to help you tie this on. You do want to make sure it is onto that bottom wire rack. That is what's going to counterbalance the weight. So if you have a lot of ties that you need organizing, this little contraption right here is a really fun way to do it. And our closet looks so amazing, but that's my point of view.